These might look like regular pancakes, but guess what? They're not. They are the perfect mix of cheesecake and pancakes, and that's why I call them Pancheesecakes. They're perfect if you crave some cheesecake, but you got no time or no nerve to make or get one. They are so easy to make, yay! Get 200 grams of cream cheese, ricotta, or any other soft but not salty cheese. Add 1 egg, 40 grams starch, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. If you want more, you can of course add some more, and finally, some vanilla extract. Now mix this thoroughly. When it is well mixed, put your spoon right up and look if it is moving. As you can see, mine is still moving, so we added 3 generous spoonfuls of flour to this. We added that much as we feel how soft it really is. You might not need that much with your cheese. Then let's stir that until it is fully combined. Let's test for the second time. Damn, it's still moving, so we added another spoonful and mixed it again. But now, come on! It stands! Yay! Now the consistency is just how we wanted it. Pour some vegetable oil into a pan and prepare a small bowl with oil as well. You'll use an oiled spoon to scoop out and form your pan cheesecakes without burning yourself or it sticking everywhere. When the pan is hot, put a spoonful of the dough and spread it evenly. Roast them for a bit and then turn them over. Oh God, my mouth is watering at this sight. When they're done, get them out of the pan onto a plate with paper towels so that the excess oil can drip off. And that's basically it. You can top it off with anything you want. I just wanted to add a bit more powdered sugar, but it would be great with a tad of fruity jam. Well, once I'm ready editing this, I'll definitely make them again today. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to check out our other videos here and here. Like to support our channel and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching and see you next week.